Good morning, guys. Don't give up on yourself. Don't do it. Just keep going, man. We're going to have setbacks. But we keep building. We're going to keep building. You know, I was walking down the street, enjoying sunrises, had the gimbal. We're moving, smooth, no shaky footage, and then the gimbal breaks. I'm making a giveaway video, boom, ring light breaks. We have content to make. Does that stop us? No, man. We rig it all together, and here we are, outside again, in the morning, to live another day. We persevered through. We're problem solvers. We solve this thing. That's what we do. We've been solving problems since birth. Yes, you. At one point in your life, you couldn't even walk. You had to figure that out. And now you're up and doing it. You figured this stuff out. You've been solving problems your entire life. Why are we going to stop today? We're going to keep solving them. And let's go back, man. We've been solving problems we didn't even know solutions to. Like just stepping out into the unknown, not knowing what might happen. That's mankind. How do you think we got here today? And now you're going to stop? We're just going to stop today? Today's going to be a do-nothing day? Heck no. Dude, let's go back to the hunters and gatherers. Those people, man, they just... We may eat, we may not. Let's try this technique. You know, try to make some fire. Let's try this. Let's try that. People died trying to solve problems so we could get here today. Let's just go and adventure. Let's just go and explore. Explore the unknown. And you're just gonna sit around and do nothing? Oh, no, you're not. You're gonna go out and you're gonna explore too. You're gonna keep solving problems because you're amazing. You're an amazing human being. That's what human beings do. We have a growth mindset. It's malleable today. Yeah. Let's go solve some problems. No matter how big they are. If it's bigger than you, well, let's take this thing apart. Chunk by chunk. We'll start small. You know, there's no mountain too big. That's right, baby. There's no mountain too big. That's my word for you today. Start small with a little chunk and get it done, but it's in you to solve the problem. It's in you to be creative. It's in you to find unique solutions. It's in you to make today an amazing day. You're an adventurer. You're an explorer. By nature, that is you. So if you're looking for purpose, man, go. Go out and be. Go be free and frolic today. You're like, well, I have to go to work today. Well, be an adventurer at work. Talk to somebody you may not have talked to at work. Find someone new. Have an interesting conversation. Switch roles. Help someone at work who is typically helping you. Be an adventurer. You're at school. You can do these things, even in the commonplace of home, work, and school. You can try different things and explore. Be amazing today, all right? That's your morning motivation. Go and get it. Hope you subscribe to the page. This is Mr. Mark Drew, Mark Anthony Drew, at Mark Drew Speaks on that Instagram. Signing off. Peace.